Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your payment method in Claude AI. First, open your web browser and go to the Claude AI website. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You will see your profile picture or account icon there. Click on it to open the account menu. After clicking on your profile icon, a small menu will appear. From this menu, select the option that says Settings. This will take you to your account settings page. Inside the settings page, look for the section labeled Billing. Click on Billing to open your payment information. This is where you can see all the payment methods connected to your account. In my case, I do not have any payment methods added right now, so there is nothing to change. But on your screen, you will see something like this. Next, look carefully next to your existing payment method. You will find a small icon that looks like two arrows forming a circle. Click on that icon to update or change your payment method. After clicking it, you will be asked to enter your new payment details. Type in the correct information, such as your card number, expiration date, and any other required details. Once you have entered the new information, click on Save to apply the changes. Your payment method is now updated. Thanks for watching.